Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking account status and essential security. Enable 2FA and confirm your email and phone. Once done, document the issue with screenshots and timestamps so you can prove search suggestions are missing. Make sure you note devices, app version, and region. This information speeds up escalation. Next, clear caches and log out, then back in to rule out local sync issues before moving to appeals and settings changes. Now you tackle intermediate fixes. Clear app cache and reinstall the app, then test search suggestions on both web and mobile to isolate client-specific problems. Review your privacy and search settings to ensure content visibility isn't restricted. Adjust tweet visibility or protected status if needed. If local fixes fail, prepare a concise appeal. Include your evidence, device details, timestamps, and steps already tried so support can reproduce the issue quickly. Finish by following up with support and referencing your ticket ID. If you get no reply, politely escalate through the help center or official channels. After changes, wait 24 to 72 hours since indexing and caches update slowly. Monitor suggestions and log any progress. If nothing improves, recreate the issue from a fresh account on the same network to determine if it's account-specific or network-related.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.